Namaste, dear students. Welcome back. Hope you people are doing good. Learning lessons through your online classes, and you could able to understand. So today I'm starting problem number 5 under general insurance company. That is final accounts of general insurance company. Problem number 5. So that has been asked in the question paper. So from the following balances of the Oriental General Insurance Company Limited as on 31st 3 2007, prepare fire revenue account, marine revenue account. So that means here we have to prepare two accounts, one is for fire and another one is for marine. Provision for unexpired risk on 1/4/2006 5 lakh rupees. So 1/4/2006, in the sense it is going to be a opening balance, and marine 16 lakh 40,000 rupees, that is also a opening balance. So after that, additional reserves on 1/4/2006 rupees 1 lakh, bad debts fire 10,000, marine 24,000, and claims paid and outstanding, that is fire 3,80,000, marine 7,60,000. Next we have commission paid fire 1,80,000 rupees, and marine we have 2,16,000 rupees. Next we do have premium received. Fire 12 lakh rupees. Fire 12 lakh rupees. Marine 21,60,000 rupees. Then we have management expenses. Fire 2,90,000 rupees. Marine 8 lakh rupees. Commission on reinsurance added. Fire 60,000 rupees. Marine 1,20,000 rupees. Provision for unexpired risk is to be kept at 50% of the net premium for fire and at 100% of the net premium for marine departments. The additional reserves in the case of fire insurance is to be increased by 5% of net premiums. So this is the problem. So we have to prepare the revenue account for both fire and marine insurance. So we will solve it. First, I wanted you people to copy the question to your books so that you don't get confused. Since the questions are not so clear, the printing is not so clear, since I'm copying it directly from the question paper. Okay, so that is why you copy the question paper to your notebook, so then we can easily solve the solution part of this problem. Okay, so let us start the solution part without any further delay. So let us start. First you have to make a table. Okay, so I believe you know the table by this time, because it is already fifth problem we are doing. So I think you are well versed with the table, since in this problem he has given two. One is fire and another one is marine. So one line for marine and another line for fire. Clear? One line for marine, one line for fire, and one small line for schedule number. Okay, so this much is clear, right? Table part. Fine. So now let us write the heading. So first write the heading, that is what we are preparing: revenue account for or of Oriental General Insurance Company as on 31st 3 2005, right? So 31st 3, which date he has given? 2007. 31st 3 2007. Okay, 31st 3 2007. So let us write the heading: particulars, schedule number. I have a fire insurance, I have a marine insurance. Okay, fine. So in this we always go with first main, that is income. So under income, what is the major income for an insurance company? Premium earned. Premium earned. So that is schedule number 1. Okay, premium earned, schedule number 1. Under that, write premium. So how much premium the company is receiving against fire and against marine? What is the premium? So premium received is there, right? Look at 12 lakh, 21 lakh, 60,000. Correct. So I am copying that. 12 lakh. Then we have 21 lakh 60,000. 21 lakh 60,000. Next, add provisions for unexpired risk. Add provisions for unexpired risk. Unexpired risk. So how much provisions for unexpired risk there he has given in the problem? That is in the beginning. The beginning of the problem will only that. Provisions for unexpired risk. Opening 1/4/2006. So that is always opening balance. Remember that. 5 lakh and 16 lakh 40,000. Very simple problem this is. So 5 lakh, then 16 lakh 40,000. 16 lakh 40,000. So now add additional reserves. Add additional reserves. Additional reserves. Additional reserves is how much? 10,000 and 24,000. 10,000 and 24,000. That is which has been given under the head of bad debts. So 10,000 and 24,000. Okay, add additional reserves. So now total this both. 17 lakh 10,000. 12 plus 5, 17 lakh 10,000. And this 21 lakh 60,000. That comes to 21 lakh 60,000 plus 16 lakh 40,000 plus 24,000. 38 lakh 24,000. 38 lakh 24,000. 38 lakh 24,000. Clear? So next, less provisions for unexpired risk. Unexpired risk, that is going to be a closing balance. So that is said directly. 50% for fire and marine, 100%. Correct. So 50% for fire and for marine 100%. So for fire, that is on net premium. Remember, net premium. So net premium is only premium value here, 12 lakh, 21 lakh, 60,000. Clear? So for fire we have to calculate. So I am writing here fire and I am writing here marine, so that we don't get any confusion while calculating. So 50% means 12 lakh into 50 by 100. So that comes to 6 lakh for fire. The same way for marine we have 21 lakh 60,000. 100% divided 100 divided by 100, that is equals 21 lakh 60,000 only. There is no changes in it. Okay. Additional reserve we said 5%. Correct. In the adjustment net premium, the provision for unexpired risk is to be kept at 50% of the net premium for fire and 100% at the premium of our marine insurance departments. The additional reserve is in case of fire insurance is to be increased by 5% on net premium. So additional we have to increase 5% on net premium. So before that we have to add additional reserves. So how much additional reserves? Check out. So this is what additional reserve we have added: 10,000, 24,000. So 10,000 for fire insurance and 24,000 for marine insurance. Okay, I have copied the same. So next add 5% on net premium. That is only for fire, is said. Correct. So what is the net premium for fire? 12 lakh. So 12 lakh into 5 divided by 100. So that comes to 60,000 rupees. 60,000 for year it is nil, because he said it is only for fire insurance. I'll reconfirm. 12 lakh into 5%, so that is 60,000. Correct. So now I'm going to total this and put it to amount column directly. Okay, all the working note is here only. We have covered. This has to be transferred to marine and this side is for fire. So now total it 6 lakh 10, 6 lakh 70,000. Correct. 660 plus 10, 6 lakh 70,000. The same way 21 lakh 60 plus 24, 21 lakh 84,000. So 21 lakh 84,000. Okay. So now deduct this. Understood the calculation part? The same thing, just I have done entire working year only. Okay. So now 17 lakh 10,000 minus 6 lakh 70,000. 17 lakh 10,000 minus 6 lakh 70,000. That comes to 10 lakh 40,000. That comes to 10 lakh 40,000. So here 38 lakh 24,000. 38 lakh 24,000 minus 21 lakh 84,000. 21 lakh 84,000. So how much we have? 16 lakh 40,000. 16 lakh 40,000. So this is total income. This is total income. So let me write total total income. Clear? So now I am moving on to the expenditure part. So let me go for second main, that is expenditure. So for that, first one we always go with claims. Schedule number 2. So under that write down claims paid. So how much claims he has given in the problem? Check out. So claims paid and outstanding: fire 3,80,000, 7,60,000 for marine. So directly take down 3,80,000, then 7,60,000. Okay. So next, commission paid. So this is going to be the total of claims. So there is no any further adjustment or anything like reinsurance recoveries. Reinsurance added is not at all there. Okay. So it is there for only commission. So there is no any adjustment for claims here. So that is why I am totaling this here only. So without any confusion, you also understand. So when there is no adjustment, we will close it down immediately. So next time going with commissions. So next I am going with commissions. So under that we have to calculate commission paid. So commission paid. So how much commission paid? This comes under schedule number 3. How much do we have paid? Commission paid: fire insurance 1,80,000, marine insurance 2,16,000. Correct. So copy that. 1,80,000, 2,16,000. Correct. 2,16,000. I am copying it directly. Whenever ceded is there, directly deduct it. So he has given that is commission on reinsurance ceded. So he has given reinsurance ceded. So wherever reinsurance ceded, that has to be deducted. So commission less commission on reinsurance ceded. Reinsurance ceded. How much? For fire insurance 60, 1,20,000 for marine. Correct. 1,20,000 for marine. Whenever you wanted to deduct, write it in bracket so that you will understand it has to be deducted. Okay. So now deduct 1,80,000 minus 60,000. That comes to what? 1,20,000. Correct. 1,20,000. Then 2,16,000 minus 1,20,000. 2,16,000 minus 1,20,000. 96,000 rupees. 96,000. So this is the total of schedule number 3. Close it down. Total of schedule number 3. Okay. So next I am moving to the operating expenses. So that is schedule number 4. Operating expenses. Operating expenses schedule number 4. So operating expenses schedule number 4, under that bad debts. I think additional reserve on fire 1 lakh rupees. Bad debts is there in the problem. There was a confusion. Okay. So if I make that 1 lakh rupees there, it will become 18 lakh. So this becomes 38 lakh. Fine. I'm sorry. So I have done a mistake here. Just now I saw bad debts word. We are not supposed to consider. Additional reserve is 1 lakh rupees as given in the problem. As it is given in the problem, 1 lakh rupees. So just check out in the question. Additional reserve 1 lakh opening. Correct. So then it should be 12 plus 5, 17 plus 1, 18 lakh. Okay, it is not 18 lakh 20. Nil for marine insurance because there is no any bad debts. So this is going to be a 38 lakh round figure. Okay. So here 1 lakh rupees for fire insurance additional reserve. Marine is going to be nil. So then it is going to be 21,60,000 you have to deduct. 21,60,000 you have to deduct. Here we are supposed to deduct 7,60,000. 7,60,000 because this becomes 7,60,000, 21,60,000. So now let us do the recalculation. So I'm sorry, 18 lakh minus 7,60,000. So that is 10,40,000 only. The total we are getting same, 18 lakh, correct, minus 7,60,000. $10,40,000. In the same way here 38 lakh we have, 38 lakh minus 21,60,000, 21,60,000. So balance 16,40,000 only. This total is correct, no issues. We did a small correction there. Okay. So then we have a bad debts. So let us move to the bad debts. So for fire how much we have? 10,000, and for marine 24,000. 10,000 for fire and 24,000 for marine. Okay. So after that we have management expenses. How much management expenses? check out management expenses. Usually it is going to be a salary, that kind of expenditure. So management expenditure, fire 2,90,000, marine 8 lakh. Foreign 2,90,000 for fire, 2,90,000 for fire, and for marine it is 8 lakh. 8 lakh. Then do we have any other expenditure? No. So everything is done. So I think now we have to do the total of schedule number 4. So do the total. So this is going to be a 3 lakh, 2,90,000 plus 10,000, 3 lakh, and this is going to be 8,24,000. 8,24,000. So this is total 4, schedule number 4. So now total B we have to find. So total B, that is 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4. So find out the total, how much you will get. Take the calculator and check. 3,80,000. 3,80,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 3 lakh. 8 lakh rupees I am getting. So 8 lakh. Okay. The same way for marine. Schedule number 2 is 7,60,000 total plus 96,000 plus 8,24,000. 16,80,000. 16,80,000 rupees. So this is the total B. Okay. So now to find out profit or loss. Profit or loss. That is A minus B. A minus B. So total A 10,40,000. Total B 8 lakh. So income is greater, expenditure is lesser. So 10,40,000 minus 8 lakh. So how much you got? 2,40,000 profit. 2,40,000 profit. In this problem, 16,40,000 income, 16,80,000 expenditure. So expenditure is more, income is less. So 16,40,000 minus 16,80,000, that comes to 40,000 minus figure. This is under loss. Okay, marine insurance is under loss, whereas fire insurance is under profit in this particular problem. So let us make a note for that before closing the problem. So we have to mention it in a note. Keep it a practice. When one is under profit, one is under loss, so you have to mention it. Therefore fire insurance is under profit of rupees 2,40,000 and marine insurance is under loss of rupees 40,000. Okay, so you have to mention like this to wind up the problem. So we are done with the problem. So I'll come back soon with one more problem. Till then, take care. See you soon. Bye bye. Stay home. Stay safe. Take care of your family members. Keep learning. Keep practicing. Don't stop learning. Don't waste your time. So focus on learning new things, new aspects, so which will help you out to concentrate on your future. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.